How's it going, everybody? Student Trader here, and today's video looking at my live trade from POLA, VXRT, and OXBR. So let's get right into it. So when I was trading POLA, it did not record for some reason, so I have to just go over it manually, but it was a great trade. So I first got in there right there at 207, and I honestly should have sold right there at 240, but I didn't. I had my stop right at VWAP at 212, and it got down to 213, so that was great. And I ended up selling right around I think it was 280, I believe. I was selling 25 all the way up, but yeah, 270, 280 was around there. And I should have got back in right at the next VWAP trade for the push back up to 3, but I already was in VXRT. But POLA, congratulations if you guys caught this one. No news on it, but man, it was a good trade. And yeah, leave comments if you guys got in on this one. But right now, live trades on VXRT going on right now. I'm in it pretty good. I made 25 bucks on POLA, just so you guys are well aware. I'm in right here, 30 shares at 806 and some pennies. Can't wait. I have my sell limit up to 906 or 907. It was right around there, but man, look at this trade. VXRT is a mover. Had it push up to $14 and pull back up to fell back down to 6. Man, I only made a couple bucks on OXBR, but it was a good trade if I had more share size. I only had like 20-30 shares, I believe, actually. Got in right there at 145, and then I'm selling right there at 165. So honestly, it was a great 20 cents play, but like I said, I only had I think I only had 30 shares because I made 5 bucks on it. But wow, look at VXRT right now, up $10, only on 30 shares. This is the type of move you want. So if it can break 850, that would be great. But I may not even sell. I may get too greedy. I may put my stop back at VWAP like I did on POLA, and we'll have to see about that. Man, what a great trade. Alright guys, that was the video today. If it can move up, I'll record some more footage. But yeah, leave you guys comments of what you traded today. I'll see you guys in the next video. Student Trader out. Thank you for 1,200 subscribers. Give the video a like, subscribe if you haven't. Questions, comments, and pages drop down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Look at it go. Oh my gosh.